Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from past many months, I've seen many people making successful career transition into the data science industry, data analytics industry, and even into industries where they are working as big data engineers. So all these profiles they have actually got shortlisted. And all the messages I have been regularly posting in the LinkedIn. But I've also been getting various messages from many people out there saying that they're not getting the interview calls, right? They're not, even their resume are not getting shortlisted. Then what I did is that from past 1 month, I've spoken to people who have made successful career transition. I understood like what kind of JD they had actually applied, and I had also seen their resume. Now, what is the most common problem or most common mistakes that you may be making is that, and I've seen that, and out of 100, probably 4 to 5 people do not make this mistake. So there is a high probability that their resumes are getting selected. And what is the problem? Let me talk about it. Most of the MNCs and startups, which are well funded, they specifically use an ATS system. Let me tell you what is an application tracking system for resumes. Now this ATS system, what it does is that it shortlists all the resumes which people apply based on the job description. And this is the most common problem that many people, they don't even update their resume based on the JD, right? Let's say you're applying for 50 jobs. And with respect to 50 jobs, there will definitely be different JDs over there or job descriptions over there. And basically all the people, they don't have a single minute to update their resume. I'm telling you from this because I recently had a conversation, with one of my subscriber, and he provided me the JD and he said that, hey, can you have a look onto this particular resume and let me know whether this is a good resume or not. And from that, guys, I was able to see from the JD and hardly from the resume, hardly 20 to 30% information from that particular JD was actually matching. Now, this is a major problem. If you want to increase the probability of your resume to be getting selected in companies, you really need to have a resume that can surpass this ATS system. And once it surpasses, guys, there is a huge probability that you may attend the first interview, and based on your performance, you may also get the job. Now you may be thinking, Krish, fine, you're talking about this. Let's say if I'm applying in a day for 100 jobs, it is not possible that I probably go ahead and keep on updating my resume. I know you'll say that this is a tedious process. And obviously people do not want to waste more energy in updating multiple things. So guys, nowadays, because of generative AI, all the system has got automated. So if I consider, let's go to the best job portal that you feel. I feel LinkedIn is the best job portal. Okay. Now with respect to this particular LinkedIn, let's say there is a principal scientist available over here in Adobe. Okay. And based on experience level, you can actually select it. Let's say if you have 5+ years of experience, you may have to go to associate or mid-senior level. If you are a fresher or if you are looking for internship, you can select for internship. But I still feel LinkedIn is one of the platform which has genuine job roles, because from all the people that I've seen who have made successful career transition, I've asked them, where did they get the call from? It was LinkedIn. Okay. So let's say that this is a job over here, and trust me guys, just by doing this step, your probability of getting your resume shortlisted is quite high. And this is from the sample data, because sample of people who have made successful career transition, I've seen that. And they had also updated their resume based on the job description. Now, the major problem is that you will be saying, Krish, I usually take a lot of time if I'm applying in 100 jobs. It is not possible. Okay, fine, it is not possible, but do one thing, right? Recently, I did a live session on creating a smart ATS system, which is a generative AI application. At least you can match your JD along with your resume, right? This is what you should do. And again, there are a lot of tools that are available in the market, but this is my own created one. Again, I will be providing you the GitHub link for this particular code, right? And I've also uploaded a video related to the smart ATS system, right? All you have to probably do, let's say I go ahead and copy this. Okay, copy this entire information, and let's say a person of 5 years experience is applying over here. So I also have a resume over here. So I will go ahead and probably select this particular resume. Now, obviously the entire JD I've put over here. I've put my resume over here, and this is some other's resume. Okay. and I will just go ahead and submit it. Now see, what all information are basically coming. You just have to do this many steps, right? I'm not saying that only use this application. Wherever you probably get that. Now the JD match is 75%. I have to at least make my JD match to more than 85%, right? Then what are the missing keywords? Software development lifecycle, NoSQL, Hadoop, Spark, Agile, this profile summary, this all our information are there, right? And this resume, I'm sorry, I'm not showing because this is one of my students' resume. The information that is written, he's worked in big data, he's worked in NLP, he's worked in computer vision, everything, right? Now, how you can make this 82%? Just trying to find out the missing keywords, and based on that, try to update the information, guys. Just copy and paste it. At least try to say that I have developed this particular project based on this software development lifecycle. I've used Agile process. I've probably used Hadoop, something like that, right? Now, this is basically matching with the JD itself. Now, let me go ahead and see with respect to this. Okay, lead data scientist in Boston Consulting Group. I will go ahead and select this also. Okay, let's see. I will go ahead and paste it over here. Now, let's see how much match is there with respect to this resume. Okay. Obviously, this is basically for the experienced people, but are we able to get the answer or not? What are the key points that we really need to focus on, right? So JD match is 72%, missing keywords, these all things are there. Profile, this is there, right? So this actually at least gives me an idea, bhai. If I want to make this JD match to 85%, obviously companies like Boston Consulting Group, there will not be an HR who will keep on seeing the resume itself. They will keep a system over there, right? Let's go ahead and see with respect to Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft over here is there. You can probably see this. I will just copy this entire job description. Okay, and let's go ahead and paste it over there. Now, obviously, Microsoft will not have a HR person who will just keep on seeing resumes. Yes, if it is shortlisted from the ATS system, I think they may go ahead and see for the first round. Trust me, guys, do this. Don't make reasons, hey, I'm not getting any call. See, over here, the JD match is 89%. Missing keywords are only 2 things. So this resume looks pretty much good for applying in this particular job role. Please do this much, guys, and just see, try it for 1 month. And if the probability does not increase, then you drop me a message saying that whether you are able to, Krish, whatever you said, it is not working. I've seen from people, I've taken sample of people who have already made transitions and they have to follow this. You don't want to use this, use some other ATS system that is available there. Try to match based on the job description. That is the reason why I'm copying this entire and pasting it over here, right? So here also lead data scientist is there. See, I will just copy this and based on your resume, I will do that. Okay. If it does not matches, go ahead and update your resume. That's it. You have to do that much, right? What is there? Like for applying the job, I know you want to apply in 100 jobs. Some person is saying, hey Krish, I have applied in 250 jobs, but I'm not getting the call. And when I saw his resume, nothing was there that was matching with the JD itself. And here also now you can see JD is 45%. So that basically means I need to update this resume too much to probably make it more than 85%. Just try it out, guys. At the end of the day, you just need to try it out. If you try it out, then you see whether the result is better or not. And yes, there may be hiring, but still I prefer using LinkedIn. At any point of time, I'll be able to see all the jobs. And in LinkedIn, not only remote, let's say I want to go with respect to on-site, hybrid, different job opportunities will be there. Try to apply with respect to that. And trust me, when you see a specific JD with respect to data science, most of the JD matches, but still you are not doing this. There will be a minor changes. Whose resume will get shortlisted if companies want to hire, which matches most of the JD information. Let it be projects. The projects you can probably write with respect to that. So this was the video, guys, about why you may not be getting the interview calls. I know there are other factors. In some of the companies, there may not be much requirements, right? In some of the companies, they will be fluctuating. But if I probably go ahead and see the best job portal is with respect to LinkedIn, I can see, yes, definitely there are a lot of jobs that are coming up, right? So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. And please do try this particular method. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care.